Hey guys, it's David here. And today I will do a fidget spinner video. You may be wondering, what, David, is a fidget spinner? It's this thing. Fidgeting is a common thing that most people do in their class, work, and their home. And now some people are just taking pens like this one. They're drawing and they're just clicking their pen like and it really damages yourself, right? But there's something in this world that solves all of that madness. Solves. You may be wondering, what? No, you're not wondering anything by now. Spin on the table. Spin on your finger. Spin on your nose. Now guys, you know to get a fidget spinner instead of clicking your pen. If this has helped you, leave a like. This video is not sponsored. See ya.